Now we will learn the anterolateral muscles of the abdominal wall. That is the external oblique, internal oblique, and the transversus abdominis muscle. First, come to the external oblique abdominis muscle in yellow color. It takes origin from the angle of the anterior angle of the rib. There is anterior angle and the posterior angle. So anterior angle of the rib from the fifth, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, lower 8 costal cartilages. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, all lower 8, and the upper 4 interdigitate with the fiber of the serratus anterior, and the lower 4 interdigitate with the fibers of the latissimus dorsi. So it takes origin, and the muscle fiber run as we put our hand in the overcoat jacket, in the pocket of overcoat jacket. Like this, the muscles fiber are coming. Here it forms aponeurosis and form the rectus sheath, but where it get inserted after making the aponeurosis, whole of this yellow one is the external oblique abdominis. So where it will get insert over the Giphius sternum, then linea alba, umbilicus, again there is the linea alba, then pubic symphysis, then here is the pubic crest, the superior border of the pubic, the body of the pubis is called the pubic crest. So pubic crest, and then at the lateral end of the pubic crest there is pubic tubercle. So pubic tubercle, and then from pubic tubercle there is inguinal ligament. Inguinal ligament is nothing but the aponeurosis of the aponeurosis of the external oblique, but it gets thickened and somewhat then backwardly inturned. Okay, so here up to the anterior superior iliac spine, up to the pubic tubercle, they form inguinal ligament. So over the inguinal ligament up to the anterior superior iliac spine. Here from here, all these are the insertion point of the external oblique abdominis. And where from takes origin? From the lower 8 costal cartilages, okay, near the anterior angle. Now about the internal oblique, this green one. It takes origin here in green color. This is in between these two, external oblique and the transversus abdominis. This in green color. It takes origin from the lateral aspect of the thoracolumbar fossa. Thoracolumbar fossa is what? It has got 3 lamina, the anterior lamina, middle lamina, and the posterior lamina, and then it get unite at the lateral aspect and form, and from that side there are two muscles take origin, that is the internal oblique and the transversus abdominis. So we are discussing about the internal oblique. So it takes origin from the thoracolumbar fossa. Okay, and then it comes anteriorly, and it also arises from the intermediate zone of the iliac crest. Here is the iliac crest and beneath. Intermediate zone of the iliac crest, and also from the only these two. Okay, now it get insert over the, it forms the upper fiber, middle fiber, and the lower fiber like this. The upper fiber get inserted over the Giphius sternum as well as the lower 3 costal cartilages. Okay, and the middle fiber over the linea alba, and the lower fiber linea alba as well as the medial 1/3 of the inguinal ligament, and the lower fiber where it get insert here in the lower part, it along with the transversus abdominis, they form the conjoint tendon and forms the roof of the inguinal canal. Okay, and then it get inserted over the inguinal ligament. Here the medial fiber up to the medial 1/3 and the lateral 2/3 of the inguinal ligament, lateral 1/3. In the middle they are forming the as the conjoint tendon, and here in the medial side forming conjoint tendon and form the roof of the inguinal canal. So inguinal ligament in the lateral 1/3. Okay, there they get insert internal oblique. And now transversus abdominis, it runs transversely and it takes origin, this white one, from the fifth costal cartilage, fifth, sixth, seven, eight, nine. From the fifth costal cartilage, it takes origin, not costal cartilage, fifth, from fifth rib. This is the costal cartilage is anteriorly. So fifth rib downward, it starts its journey and then comes anteriorly, and then it form aponeurosis and insert over the linea alba. It also takes origin from the inner lip of the ventral segment of the iliac crest and then get inserted over the linea alba, and in the lower part it forms the, along with the internal oblique, they form conjoint tendon and form the roof of the inguinal canal and also the medial part of the inguinal ligament. Okay, the transversus abdominis muscle. This is all about the anterolateral muscles of the abdominal wall. Thank you.